Hello everyone, JJ here. Welcome to my channel. As you might notice that today the camera is extremely close to me because we're going to do some introduction on the smaller Asus products, and which is first of all the Asus Touchstone keycap. So you can see that this is really looks like the design of the Asus Strix card, and this is a keycap for the shift key on your keyboard. And the second product we're going to introduce here is the ROG Cetra, which is true wireless. And I know this is in Chinese because it's not yet released in the States, North American region yet, but still we're going to unbox this and I can translate some of the stuff in here. So yep, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, this thing is quite interesting. I don't know, like, I know that this thing, like, let me talk about the bad thing about this first. So the bad thing about this is the price. So this thing, I got it for 400 Chinese yuan, which is about 80 Canadian dollars, or you would say, or the same amount of money US dollars. So which is ridiculous for a keycap like this. But it is really nice design, I would say. You see there's three little fans here. They look exactly like the Asus Strix card, and yet the fans on it is even, like, you know, rotatable, which is really interesting. And it's not going to hurt your hand, I promise. So on the back of this thing, you can see that this is telling you that the fan is rotatable, and they're using the brushed aluminum way of coating this, and also it has the cross design at the bottom, so it can fit into the keyboard that is cross design. So now let's unbox this. So first thing, we need to open this up from here, and you can see that this is exactly looks like it's at the shift key. Exactly looks like the 3090 Strix, if you have one of those, or other Strix card. And you open the box here, and it's a little bit hard to get it out. Okay, so as you can see, here is the shift key right here, and it is putting on the form right here. As you can see that the fan is spinnable already. It's very interesting. Let me take it out. And yep, this is how it looks like at the front. There's a cutout right here, and the back is set that Republic of Gamers, and you can see that this is brushed some aluminum on the top, and the fan is definitely rotatable. You have two ROG logo here, and in the middle one you have the ROG words in here. And on the back of it, you can see that it is the cross design for this keycap. And for anyone who has owned the Asus keyboard, like me, I'm using the Strix Fighter 2 Animate. You can put this in there, but it's going to stick out a little bit, which I think it doesn't look pretty nice. And it's I think it's kind of interesting that they designed this and doesn't even fit into their own kind of keyboard, which is a little bit annoying, because I do think it's pretty cool if you have this in there, but now it can only be used as a decoration somewhere else, or like in the future they might have another keyboard that is able to utilize this one. But besides the compatibilities, this one is still actually pretty cool. Think of the design, and the fan is definitely like very spinnable, and I think you can pretty much reach a very high RPM with this little fan here, because it's really small. This is the first very interesting thing about this keycap. Yeah. Okay, now let's look at the ROG True Wireless. So let me do some translation here. Let me first get the this thing open, because it's still sealed, and it's kind of reflecting the light right here. So let me get it open. Okay, so what it says here, on the first slide, it says that there's low latency between the device and your earphone, and the second one is hybrid ANC, which is it's actively reducing the noise, and the third one is it has the Asus Essence driver unit, which is giving you a pure realistic good voice. And The fourth one is said that it's 27 hours of battery life, which I don't think. It's said that the case it resides in is actually giving a fast charge. And also it has IPX4 level of water resistance in here. It can basically resist the the rain and also your sweat. So if you are wearing this while you are doing some exercise, it's definitely fine. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to open it up, and this has the Bluetooth logo in here, which means it can use Bluetooth. But the main reason I'm getting this is I'm trying to get this for my Switch so that I can put this on while playing Switch. So yeah, let me get the box open right now. Okay, I was finally able to get this open. It is pretty tight in there, yeah, finally get it open, and this is how it looks like in the inside. There's nothing, no design on the back of the box, and this is the earbuds right here. Let me take it out. So as you can see right now, this is the case cover, and it has the charging dock right here, charging port right here, and you can basically peel the seals off, and you can charge your stuff in here. And let us open this up. Yep, and you see that this is pretty cool. You see that the moment I opened it up, there's a little RGB stuff light up right here. It's pure blue, and this one logo is red. Let me reopen it up and see that again. Yep, it looks pretty cool. And that's the two of the earbuds. First of all, let's look at if there's anything else under the box. I think it does. So taking this out, there's another layer right here that you can pull out. Okay, and now you see the charging cable, which is a USB to USB-C charging cable with Asus logo on it. And you also have some swappable ear plug right here, which is, I think it is rubber like. And also here's the instruction manual in different languages. This is the warranty guide. The instruction manual, it says that the ROG Cetra True Wireless. Now this is English. And as you can see right here, this is basically on the back of the box. You see this is different symbols of whether you're how much is this charged. And the red light means that it's only one, has very low battery. Blue means that it has medium readily, and white means that it's fully charged. So let me look at this one. Yep. So this is basically telling you what's in there, and also giving you some instructions here, and it can also connect with the Armoury Crate app and how you charge the stuff. And yeah, looks pretty cool. So this tells you how to connect it, and how you do some control on the ROG logo. Basically, you can answer the phone here, like it mentioned right here. So yeah, it's different design here. I'm going to hand it up here for a little bit so that you can read this. Okay, so now let's take a look at the earphone inside. Like a moment I opened it up, this is really cool. I don't know if this can be tuned by the Armoury Crate app. And this is magnetic, just like the Apple earbuds, which is also magnetic. And you see that there's two charging connector here, which is has to be fit into this one right here. So right now it has a seal on it so that it doesn't get charged all the time. But when you use it, be sure to peel this off. And this is how it looks like. I think this is the left or right ear. This one, I think it's the left ear, probably. No, it's right ear. Yeah, it's probably right. Yeah, right ear, and that's how it looks like. And you can, yeah. I don't think this logo will light up. This is just a painted logo in there. And yeah, this is how it looks like. for one, and this is a pair of them. So let me try it on actually, because I actually had a hard time putting it into my ear. So okay, it doesn't hang in there well. Am I using the right ear or not? But I think it does, what it does provide is it's actually reducing the noise as the moment you put it on. It's already reducing some of the noise in here, which is pretty cool. That will let you to focus a little bit more on the voice coming out of this. So yeah, I actually haven't used this yet, but this is just like kind of like an unboxing of these two products. I think personally, I think that the build quality of this are definitely pretty high, but in terms of the MSRP for this, this one is approximately 150, 160 Canadian dollars. I think that's a fair price, I would say, but for the keycap, it's definitely a kind of overpriced. Yep, that's it guys. That's the kind of two unboxing and first impression video of the ROG Cetra True Wireless and also the ROG keycap. So if you like this video, click on the subscribe button down there, and if you have any questions, feel free to post in the comment section, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.